Welcome to the future of news. Today, we're diving deep into building a fully autonomous AI news anchor using the cutting-edge open-source models of 2026. Imagine a news channel that never takes a break, delivering breaking news 24/7 without human intervention. Picture this, a futuristic newsroom, sleek and digital, with an AI avatar ready to deliver the headlines. Imagine a news channel that never sleeps, constantly scanning the globe for the latest updates. This AI anchor writes breaking news, speaks like a real human, automatically creates videos, and uploads content directly to YouTube. The best part? No expensive studio, no camera crew, and no costly software. We are building this entirely with open-source AI technology. Let's start with the brain of the operation, the AI that writes the news stories. We'll use an open-source large language model for content generation, teaching it how to scrape, summarize, and synthesize information into a coherent news script. Prompt engineering is crucial here. We need to train the model to adopt a professional journalistic style, ensuring accuracy and credibility in its reports. Next, we give our AI anchor a voice, a highly realistic, human-like voice. We will utilize advanced text-to-speech models available in 2026 to achieve natural, compelling, and incredibly human-like voice delivery for the script. The goal is to fine-tune the voice quality so it sounds professional and authoritative, just like a seasoned news anchor. Now for the visuals. Creating the video using an AI avatar and dynamic visuals. We will select and set up a state-of-the-art AI avatar model to serve as our on-screen news anchor. The script will automatically prompt other open-source generative AI models to create relevant visuals and B-roll footage to accompany the news report. The final component is the crucial automation layer, orchestrating all these pieces together. We'll build a central script that links the content generation, voice production, and video creation using cron jobs and specific triggers for a fully automated workflow. Finally, we integrate the YouTube API to automate the seamless uploading of the finished video, complete with title, description, and tags. You've seen the blueprints for building a revolutionary news channel. By connecting these open-source AI models, you can launch a fully autonomous news channel today, running entirely on its own. This is Abdul, Hadi AI World. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.